We made it to Colorado. Yay! I'm so excited. It's going to be a while before we hit the Rocky Mountains, so pretty much the terrain is exactly the same as Kansas until we get to them. But I'm going to Colorado Springs, and then from there I have a couple of different camping areas I've made. One is a dispersed camping by Decker, Colorado. The other one I have been to before. It's one of my favorite spots. It's right outside of Durango on Vallecito Lake. It's the Vallecito Campground, and that's a paid campground. However, they do take the senior pass, so I think it ended up being $12 a night. The way the landscape is here, you would think that the Rocky Mountains are up ahead. Well, I'm just following directions to this one place that I want to do dispersed camping, and I came across the corner. This is Garden of the Gods, Balanced Rock. I was not expecting this. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? Let's walk down there. There's supposed to be dispersed camping down this road. I've been on worse. But I don't know. I hope he's right. This is beautiful up here. Except there's cliffs on the one side and there's a complete drop off on the other. Let me show you. Complete drop off, but isn't that beautiful? I don't know how much further I've got to go. I think about 6 more miles on this road before we hit any kind of camping. But it's cooler, it's beautiful. I've only seen maybe 5 other cars. So I'm at the halfway point. I mean, I could turn around and say, oh, this is too rough, I gotta turn around and go back, but yeah, I might as well just keep on going. Takes me to the other side of the mountain. This is the kind of things I do. I go slow though, you know, might take my time. I'm nice and slow. Well, I finally came across an area where I can go park. It's $11 a night with my senior pass. It's pretty primitive. Let's see, I am on site 16. There's the restroom. A lot cooler up here. I sure hope mine is level since I don't have any levelers. But they don't look too bad. I mean, $11 a night is still a pretty good deal. Trail to lake, okay. 12. There's 12. 13. 14. Is this 16? Yes. Is this mine? Yes, this is mine. Oh, she gave me a good one. Yeah, this is a good one. Oh. Okay. It's pretty level. Yeah. Let's get out and explore it. Pretty little campground. Like I said, this one only has I believe 17 or 18 slots, $11 a night. The host is very, very nice and very helpful. I enjoyed it. I slept really well for the 2 nights I've been here. Just a standard pit toilet. Be alert for falling trees. Do not linger around large burned trees. This is my favorite site back in here. You can see the lake from this one. Let's see, it is site number 10. Well, they said you could, but oh, there it is, way over there. We're going to go to the reservoir today. But yeah, it's a beautiful camp area. Other than that washboard road coming in, I would highly recommend it. Well guys, I am in my campsite. It's pretty nice. It's pretty level. I like it. It'll definitely do for the next couple of days. The sun is starting to go down. It's a little after 7 and I am in my pajamas. I got my flannel bottoms on and a thin sweatshirt and this is the most clothes I've had to go wear to bed in a while because it's chilly up here. I'm up in the Rockies. Oh, surrounded by all the ponderosa pine and the aspens, and I just love it up here. But yeah, I did our calculations on how far I drove and how much it cost, and I drove 1,646 miles. And we spent $325. But the most expensive gas was in Colorado, at Colorado Springs, for $3.66 a gallon. All the rest of the time I was paying $2.85, $2.99, maybe $3.05 at the most. So that $3.66 a gallon, that was sticker shock. It looks like Colorado is going to have the highest gas prices of any of the states I've been in, darn it, because that's the one I want to do the most driving in. I know out in California it's $5 a gallon, so I guess $3.66 isn't too bad. But no, it's $1 more than I've been paying. Yeah. But while I'm here, you know, I have to watch my finances, but I really want to take a train ride, and I want to go down into a mine, and I want to do whitewater rafting. If I wasn't so chicken, I'd try ziplining. I did ziplining before, but I don't know, ziplining over the Rockies, that might be something different. But gosh, it's great to be here. I feel so alive when I'm in Colorado. I just feel so alive here. I actually just feel so alive when it's cool weather, because to me it feels like fall. But tonight I'm exhausted. 7 o'clock, sun's not even completely down, and I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. One of the campers I was talking to last night said, you've got to go to the reservoir. You've got to go see that. So I'm going to go to the reservoir and hopefully not get lost back in here in this national forest. Well, there's only one road, but I don't want to get on that 14-mile stretch of bad road like I came in on. There's a picnic area up here, and I'm assuming it looks over the water. So that's where I am heading. they had fire back in here. Can't imagine being back up in here when there's a fire raging around the mountain. Some parts it didn't touch at all, and other parts, like this part right here, totally burned out. Look at that. Isn't that horrible? But then see, then we come around the corner here and they haven't been touched at all. So it's really kind of hit and miss. We're coming down to the reservoir though. It's really pretty. Let's pull over right here because this is pretty awesome. Oh my gosh, look at that. Even the huge rocks. Let me get out and show you guys. There seems to be some steps around those rocks. See them right there? Interesting. Look at these little baby aspens. The forest is trying to come back. So there's trails back in here. I think we'll go ahead and follow one down to the lake. What do you think? That'll be nice. It's a great day for it. Looks like we can come all the way down to a little beach. Sure enough. Isn't that cool? Let's get a panoramic shot of it. Gorgeous. I would really like to learn to do that. Perfect little trail right along the lake. I'm out of breath because of this altitude. Takes you a while to acclimate to it. This is what I came to Colorado to see and do. Oh, but I am out of breath. Just take my time. It's worth it though. You guys, this is so inspiring. I'm an artist and I brought all of my paints and things are all in the van, but I haven't broken them out in the 2.5 years that I've been a nomad. Basically because, well, I don't know why. But I need to find a place that I can settle in for a week or two and bring them out and really get to work on something. I'll include a picture of one of the landscapes that I did. It's actually a Colorado landscape because this is what inspires me more than anything else. So I really need to get those paints out and do some of this. This is gorgeous. Look at this little aspen. In the fall, the aspen leaves turn gold. They're so pretty. Today we head to our next campsite. It's in Dillon, Colorado. I have no idea what that one's going to be like, but I believe that it's got electricity. The one I'm excited about is Vallecito Lake down by Durango. That'll be our third campground. And then we'll see what we do then. Let's get on the road today. I wanted to go to Manitou Springs, but they have like 5 times the amount of tourists for the amount of parking places there are there. It was nuts, guys. It was absolutely nuts. And then the cog railroad that would take me to the top of Pikes Peak was sold out for today and tomorrow. I think, you know, with Labor Day coming up, everybody's getting kind of their last time out before everything has to settle back down for the kids going back to school and everything. So, you know, I'm retired. I don't have to really worry about it. I'm just going to wait them all out. Beautiful rocks and just curves and trees, and it's really breathtaking out here though.